What's happening, trippers? I'm in Lloret de Mar, I'm on the beach, and today I've got a tour of Hostal Vila de Mar accommodation, which is only 40 meters from the beach here. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let's go.
We're starting from the outside view of the street, and I don't think it looks too bad. And in the street, you've got everything you need here, all your shops. Quite a lot of tourist tax shops, but at least you got it there. This is the bar downstairs, and we did sink a few pints here. And at the back, you've got the hotel desk. Straight into the room tour.
201, that's the room. So we're in the room. As ever, my first impression when I came in was everything was really clean. The cleaners are doing a good job here. Really clean everywhere. So I like to stay in the room before I do the tour so I can actually give you an opinion of how it is. So any mess you see, it's because of me. Don't blame the hotel. Let's do the rest of the tour now. As we first enter, you've got the bathroom to the left. There we go in. Flex, you know the rules. Yeah, so this bathroom, it looks like it's been all new. You've got a nice unit here, new tiles, and the shower is lovely. It's all quite fresh in here. Yeah, I'm loving these little drawers. You know me though, as I unpack, I just throw it on the top, but you've got space here, loads of it. Hair dryer, little shaving mirror. Yeah, it's very good. It's very good. Into the main body. Do you know, it has a lot of this dark wood. It's just like, reminds me of the Tenerife Hotel for my returning viewers, if you've seen that. Kind of gives me that vibe. A little bit dated, but I don't really care about that. Aircon, yes, we have aircon. The aircon's good. I mean, look, that looks like it's as old as me, but it works. It's all good. You've got your little power sockets on the side of the bed, which I think is the best location for them. And the bed itself is comfy. You can see it's like two of them, but it's very comfy. I borrowed the iron. No ironing board, but I'm managing to get better at ironing without a board and a little seat. And you are not ready for this views, guys. You've got a mini balcony. You come to Spain for the vistas. I guess the upshot of it being an alley on this side is it's quite quiet. Don't hear any noises. Just another note. I think the floor is fairly new, or at least newer than the air conditioning. You've got a big, massive wardrobe. Flex, massive wardrobe. Small TV. And your nightstand. And another mirror. So that's it, really. There's nothing more to tell you.
Wi-Fi speed test. As you can see, the speeds are pretty decent. Initially, I couldn't connect to it, and I don't know why, but when I was connected, it was good. I don't know if that was a me problem, but you got decent speeds when you got the Wi-Fi.
So that's it, really. I don't think there's much more to say. It's a nice place to sleep. Considering it's on the main road, it's quiet. You're right amongst it here. It's a good little place to get your head down and go sleep.
The hotel has a lift, and I used that to get to the top in the solarium and pool area. I'd like to use this opportunity to give a shout out to the hotel manager, who's called Danny, and he was just super nice. Even though we were like drunk Brits, we were just made to feel really welcome. he's a bit of a lad, so yeah, big up Danny, the hotel manager. I mean, as you can see, there's actually a fair bit of space up here, just in front here, and then on the other side of the pool there's like more of the solarium, and it's absolutely boiling up here, proper sun trap. I'll be honest with you guys, the swimming pool isn't up to much. I think it's more of a plunge pool than a swimming pool. The beach looks further away than what it actually is. Honestly, from the front door of the hotel, you're at the beach in about 40 seconds. That's not even a lie. So really, that's why you can tell that no one's here, because you've got that really fantastic beach just in front of you. I would fully recommend this hotel to anyone who just wants to go out and have fun. Now, if you want to see what we got up to on the trip, then I've made a vlog. You can see the snippets of what we got up to now on the screen. So that will be out soon, so please go watch that. We're having the time of our lives. We can all be tripping.